First women Inspector Generals of CRPF. For the first time in the history of Central Reserve Police Force, CRPF, 2 women officers reached the rank of Inspector General, IG. 2 women officers who were recently promoted to the rank of Inspector General are IG Seema Dhundia and IG Annie Abraham. While IG Seema Dhundia will head the Bihar sector of CRPF, IG Annie Abraham will head the Rapid Action Force, RAF. In 1986, the CRPF became the first Central Armed Police Force, CAPF, to induct women in combat. Both Seema Dhundia and Annie Abraham were in the first batch of women officers who were inducted into CRPF in 1987. They had illustrious careers over the years. About IG Seema Dhundia. IG Seema Dhundia is known for serving in highly sensitive areas across India. She actively participated in raising 2nd Mahila Battalion of the CRPF. She served as the contingent commander of the first ever all-female formed police unit, FPU, in the UN mission in Liberia. Until recently, she was serving as the DIG in the Rapid Action Force, RAF. About IG Annie Abraham. IG Annie Abraham commanded the all-female FPU in the United Nations mission in Liberia, UNMIL. She served as the DIG, Intelligence in the Force Headquarters, and as DIG, Operations in Kashmir Operations Sector, as DIG CR and Vigilance. Other notable achievements of the women IGs. Police Medal for Meritorious Service, Ati Utkrisht Sewa Padak. Other national and international awards. IG Seema Dhundia and IG Annie Abraham received President's Police Medal for Distinguished Service. CRPF's Mahila Battalions. The Central Reserve Police Force is the only paramilitary force in India to have 6 Mahila battalions. The first Mahila battalion of CRPF was raised in